Welcome back to the Keystone Hiker.
All right, here we are in Tioga County, Pennsylvania. Beautiful day today so far, a little windy. It's about 35 degrees, but the sun is warm. It's the day after Easter, so the sun's warmer. But we're going to see Sand Run Falls and possibly beyond that. It's up in the air yet, but for now, we're going to be heading 3 miles in on the Mid-State Trail. So the parking, absolute beautiful parking area, huge parking area. Now, when you come over here, there's a sign when you cut in here. It says 11 and 5. They're kilometers, not miles. So they're going to be a little bit more. So it's about 3 miles away, it says, to the falls. So let's get this show on the road and let's rock and roll. Lots of water today. Beautiful area. Let's go. A little bit about this trail. Like I said at the start, it is along the Mid-State Trail. Here in Tioga County. I had been here before and it was like negative with the wind chill and my camera kept freezing up and I ended up losing everything. But it was beautiful, so I had to come back here. And I thought with all this rain that this area had, it should be flowing very, very nicely. So I've been up on a vacation here since Friday. It's now Monday, the day after Easter. And this was one of the hikes and videos I wanted to do because of the waterfall. And the water that they had up here, the amount of it. But yeah, I mean, the weather is, we're in Pennsylvania and it's April. So you could wake up in the morning and it's 70 degrees and by nightfall it's snowing. So it's still trying to make up its mind what to do, but I had to get out here and this is the one I wanted. This is the one I got. I'll be doing another one up here. I don't know, this week probably. So it's going to be up in Castania. Beautiful views. So I had to wait till the sun came out for those. So, all right, I want to trek down here and just wanted to fill you in on what's going on and how things have been. Okay, I just want to show you a little bit on how crafty these beavers are. Look at that. They chew off the bark before it goes into the water. I guess, I'm not sure, but I don't know why they do it. It's pretty cool. Here's a little shot of the beaver dam. All right, back up on the trail. And if I haven't pointed it out yet, the trail is an orange blaze. Whenever you're out here exploring, or even, you might know the trail, always know the color of the blaze or blazes. It helps out. But the trail, I mean, it's wet at some spots, it's rocky at a lot of spots, but it's pretty gradual. It's not a, no really downs or really ups. It's just a gradual down. Beautiful scenery too. There will be. Wintertime's awesome, I'll tell you that much. With the ice down here, very, very nice. But we're here to see water. And I don't recall seeing that beaver dam before. So that's new to me. And that's why I do this stuff, is come out to see new stuff, new things. But you have to get out to see it. Okay, another thing that might help you along, as you're coming down through from the parking area, a lot of the times you'll be able to hear the creek. So, I mean, I can hear it, and before I couldn't, so I know there's going to be a lot of water, and that's why I questioned about leading you on to another falls, because I don't know if I might have to cross this. If I have to cross it, it might be too high. I mean, but I'll try my darndest, because I want to see it too, If not, I'm going to spend a lot of times at this falls and just hang out, I guess. Brought a lot of snacks with. That's something I found out, through the years of hiking and stuff like that. I always found myself at near the middle to 3/4 way through feeling hungry and tired. But I start carrying more snacks and bringing a filter with for water. I had a habit of not drinking enough water also, but I'll tell you what, it changes everything. It changes everything, feeling good, So keep that stuff in mind too. People are in a hurry. Let's go, man. And forget about little things like that. I have to say this, speaking of things in your pack, I found one of those solar shields in my grandfather's stuff while I was rooting through, and I threw that in. It is now in my backpack. But yeah, hey, if anything, if I never use it, it's sentimental, and I always have something of his with me, I guess. But yeah, it's good to be back. All right, figured I'd stop along here, give you 2 facts. One, did you know that oranges aren't really orange? Number 2, this trail, or part of it, this part of it, is on the Great Eastern Trail. There's 2 facts for you. I'm not going to explain them to you. I'm going to give you homework. So go in there and check that out. 2 facts. I believe in hard work, so I'm out here putting it in. If you're going to sit there and watch it, I want to give you homework. Check it out. Just 2 facts. Odd, but true. Here's some coolness I have to show you. It's always awesome hiking in pines like this. This is the first hill we came across, so, and you can hear, no, maybe you can't, the water pretty much the whole way. Beautiful place here in Pennsylvania. Don't forget to stick around for the words of wisdom, and then like I always say, I hope they help somebody. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do help me out. Become one of the family. All right, we're getting closer. This one picture right here sums up Pennsylvania. Beautiful. April. Green sticks out very nicely with the sun. This is it right here. Alrighty, we start reaching the falls. I'm going to try to hit the littler ones first, and then on the Sand Run Falls. These things are beautiful right now. Full of water, full of light, full of life. So how you find these littler ones, there's a little spur trail off to the left of the Mid-State Trail. There's another beautiful shot. Another beautiful waterfall. This is both falls together so far. Very beautiful. Okay, we have reached Sand Run Falls. Beautiful area. I can't cross anywhere, it's too high, but it's a beautiful shot of it. All right, one last look here at Sand Run Falls. This is a beautiful area just to hike back in, maybe do an overnighter. or just come in and picnic for the day. Let me get back to the Mid-State Trail, or maybe we'll press on for that other waterfall. Beautiful Sand Run Falls. Check out some of the cliffs. Okay, I managed to get across that creek. That's Bad Creek, by the way. And you just keep heading south, is what I'm told. Another 3 miles from this point. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Should be all right. Beautiful day. Back on the trail. All right, where was this bridge at a couple minutes ago? Look at this. This is beautiful in here. The emergence of two streams. A slight waterfall there. Good stuff. We'll go across the bridge. Very awesome. There'll be a lot of good camping along the Mid-State Trail here in this park. Well, you want to talk about easy hiking. I came down and looked at this. I'm like, all right, cruising. This is where you cruise at. Again, walking beside a creek. Good stuff. All right, still trekking down through. Beautiful scenery right here. Sun comes out and hits it. Lots of these little streamers coming off the mountain. An easy hiking so far, this section. And you got the creek over to your left. This is slightly off the trail a bit. I heard it before I seen it. I had to come check it out. My wanderlust got the best of me. I'm glad I did. It's pretty unique. Alrighty, we made it. 6 miles later from the start of the parking lot. We've made it to Nickle Run Falls. We're gonna go down, but this is what I was saying. This is part of the Great Eastern Trail. Huge trail, beautiful. I can't imagine, I've seen some of the places that Pennsylvania they routed, and oh, beautiful. But if you want to stay on the Mid-State Trail, you'll stay straight. If not, you'll do a hairpin left turn. And we got some information here. Just describing it. Well, from what I've seen, they're beautiful, so let's get it. Okay, so we come to another sign. Looks like there's 2 different ways you can go. I guess I'll go down the first one and check it out from there. But a little history on that poem up there. That was written by George Washington Sears in somewhere around the 1800s. But it was named in the poem there Nickle Run with an M. But so yeah, it's been around a while. You can either go straight or go down. And down is what I'm thinking about doing, so let's get it. All right, here's our first shot of Nickle Run Falls. Sound like George Washington there. What a beautiful thing. And yes, we're gonna get down. So this is the first trail you're gonna come to. They're all marked yellow. So maybe you want to go to the, or if you like this one, I want to get down in there and get the best view I can. Again, Nickle Run Falls off the Mid-State Trail in Tioga County, Pennsylvania. All right, here's a better view of Nickle Run Falls. What a beautiful place here. Okay, time to get some water. We'll hike back. All right, drank all mine. All right, we've come to the end of the video and the end of a great hike, a day in the woods. Probably a little over 12 miles it might be. But walking along streams all day and stuff like this, not all day, but a lot of it. Sand Run Falls, that place is rocking beautiful no matter when. I was down there in the winter and you should have seen the ice in that. So that's an option for you too. Then Nickle Run Falls, I'll tell you what, that was a surprise to me. It was like, you're down in there, it looked like it was like an amphitheater, you know, like a surround. It was awesome. Beautiful water. I knew that was going to happen for us today. But just like to say, you know, if you like what you see here, subscribe, you know, like, share, you know, tell your buddy about it. Because you never know. I could take you places you've never been. Just saying. But this is the part of the video where I like to give my words of wisdom. I hope they help. If not, I hope they, you know, kick you in gear. But here's the words of wisdom for this hike. Each day is not another. It's one less. Act like it. Think about those words. You know, hope they kick you in gear and hope to help somebody. But always remember, get off your seat, and move your feet. Like I said, follow me. I'm going to take you places you've never been.